Pen plotting art and pen plotter drawing meet technical drawing in this high-contrast plotter art build, an F-22 blueprint plate rendered as clean, layered line work. This piece is plotted as true vector paths, SVG, so every edge, panel, and contour is machine precise. You'll see the full multi-view layout emerge through deliberate draw order and consistent stroke control. This plot is part of an ongoing practice, taking reference-style drawings and rebuilding them into plot-ready plates that feel timeless, like traditional drafting, executed by a modern motion system. The goal is repeatable accuracy, clean geometry, and a calm process over shortcuts. Each iteration improves path hygiene, reduces wasted travel, and strengthens the technical document look. The Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor grew out of the U.S. Air Force Advanced Tactical Fighter program and entered service in the mid-2000s as a purpose-built air dominance fighter. Stealth shaping, supercruise, extreme maneuverability, and tightly integrated avionics designed around seeing first and engaging first. It became the Air Force's top-end air-to-air platform, with a secondary air-to-ground role, and the Air Force still describes it as a leap in capability, because the aircraft was built as a complete system rather than a Jet Plus add-ons. Production was intentionally capped, a famous turning point in modern defense acquisition, with the final rollout in late 2011 and the last delivery in 2012. The operational fleet was completed at 187 production aircraft, with additional test jets bringing the total built higher, which is a big part of why the Raptor feels rare and almost mythic compared to fighters that get produced in the hundreds or thousands. That small fleet reality is also why F-22 art works so well as a blueprint plate. It carries the weight of a limited-run, peak-era machine, and the technical line work fits that legacy. Current status: the F-22 remains in active service, and the Air Force is still funding upgrades and sustainment because there is no large reserve of extra airframes to fall back on. Reporting on Air Force budget planning and modernization has highlighted ongoing improvements, including enhanced Link 16 connectivity, identification enhancements, software upgrades, navigation and electronic warfare enhancements, and reliability improvements intended to maintain availability across a small but critical fleet. At the same time, there has been continued debate over what to do with older Block 20 training aircraft, including attempts to retire them and congressional moves to prevent those retirements in recent NDAA cycles. If you want one clean future line to add, the F-22 is expected to be replaced by a sixth-generation successor under the Air Force's NGAD effort. And in March 2025, major outlets reported Boeing was selected for a next-generation fighter, designated the F-47, intended to succeed the F-22 over time. That replacement path is still unfolding, which is exactly why the Air Force continues to upgrade the Raptor, rather than treating it as a closed chapter.